Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Everette in Ohio on this RCI-2995DXHP. Everette, it was your turn to burn. We got her done for you. We're still running about the 15-20 business days back on these 2995 builds. Everette, you got this thing loaded out. You're going to get the 4 to 6 pin mic adapter. Okay. You're also going to get the carbon fiber aesthetic 636L mic. You've got the audio mods, power mods, Toshiba voltage regulator, cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive, clarifier mod, high cut filter here on the back, as well as an amp on off switch. Man, this thing is ready to rock and roll. We'll go over here to AM mode. I'll start the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug, or I'm sorry, 250-watt slug. 5 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 64, 65 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, hello, hello. 145 bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. At 305. Alright, Everette. It's ready to come to you, man. I really appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.